DStv HD single view decoder, specifically the model 9S, as you can see from the text right there. And today I'm going to show you how to pay for your DStv subscriptions without any assistance from anyone on your own, as well as clearing any errors in any event. So firstly, you need the MyDStv app. You can find it on Google Play Store or App Store. For the first time, it will prompt you to select your country. I selected Zimbabwe. This is the login page, so you either enter your surname or mobile number, the ones you registered with. Then you also enter the IUC or smart card number. DStv will usually send you the smart card number when you register in the form of a text or email etc. Also, in my case, the smart card number will be written at the back of the decoder, but decoders are different, so in your case, it might be different as well. Once you log in, you see the amount due and the next payment date. In my case, I had already paid for the next installment, so my next payment date will be next month. Then if you want to pay using Mastercard, you click on Pay. It will direct you to a link where you enter your Visa or Mastercard details. Once you complete that process there, it will direct you back to the app and update your balance. Then specifically for Zimbabwe, if you're using EcoCash, you can use EcoCash to pay for your DStv. Select Make Payments, select Direct Payments here, select Pay DStv. And once you do that, you click any option you want here. In this case, we'll select Renew Subscription. Then you enter your smart card number. Then once you do this, it will validate on the next page and you pay for your DStv. You just go back to the app and refresh. You can also use your bank. Most banks now have that on their bill payments section. So you can go on Biller, Utilities. Then it will show you DStv and you can enter all your details there, the smart card number, etc. Once you complete that process, you go back to the app, just swipe down to refresh, and then you will see your balance would have changed. Now, in the event that you face any errors in the process, let's say you have paid for your DStv subscription, but it's still showing maybe an E16 error, your channel is blocked, you can go on the MyDStv app, click on Clear Error, then click that button as well. Then it will show you a list of all the error codes that are there. In most cases, it will be E16 if you have paid, but it's still showing your channel is blocked. To show you a description of the error code as well. Then you click on Clear this error. And once you do this, once it's complete, I think the process literally takes seconds, at least in my case. But I think it's dependent on you keeping your decoder on and connected as well. And once you do this, you are ready to watch DStv. Like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.